Hey guys, Mr. Lentz here. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Hope you did well on the assessment. I will be grading that on Monday, so you'll be watching this today. So today, hopefully, get you some feedback on that. Grades are due at the end of this week, so I'll get you some feedback on that. And if it's not where you want it to be, we can work on that. Um, but for this week, we are diving into solving quadratics and graphing quadratics. It's a lot to take in. I know the videos, I tried to make them small, but um, they're probably around like 15 minutes each or so. Um, but if you need help with those, let me know because I know it's a new topic. It can be confusing. Um, so yeah, the rundown for this week, you'll have the notes that I want you to fill out, upload a picture of your notes, um, and then we'll have the Alex homework, and then there's another section for notes, and we'll have one more Alex homework, and that's it. So you got four things this week. If you need help with any of it, please reach out. And hope you guys have a great week. If you need anything, just message me on Schoology. All right, have a good one. Bye.